Nå er det for seg, han har filmet oss allerede.
Marhaba!
Hallo.
This is UN checkpoint. Please prepare your ID.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, goed.
Please check out the car. Anna, go to Cafe Välivalta. And please turn up the engine. And step out the car.
Okay.
Do you have any weapons in the car?
No glasses.
Explosives,
No glasses.
drugs?
No glasses. Era isikne. Very good. Not so good. You never stop the cars yourself and you never open any doors whatsoever. That's the only thing. Otherwise, very good.
This kauan aega läheb? Kaua aega läheb, tuleb auto. Ma küsin, palju aega läheb seal? Tule mitte jalutada, kinni. Ja tal on näpp lasku. Where's the car? Kus see auto on? Kus on auto? Närvi. Närv. Tule. Võib-olla tea, võib-olla on. siis ja olem. Checkpoint number 49, kõik on korras, käivad õppused.
Tervist on leidnud.
Tervist.
Kuidas sulle loeb?
Laadagi või? Millega sul lahasta püssi? Lahasta püssi, kui tahad.
Mida ta on?
Lihtsalt mingi valur rinnas.
Okay. You finished?
Jep.
Yeah.
Mul ei ole midagi teha, aga mitte midagi ei ole.
I told you I was hurting on this side and I couldn't breathe. You should have put me to the other side.
Okay, yeah.
Because the lungs could be...
Så er det så stort flertall, eller så stort antall i Sverige som ikke vil at de skal være der.
Merkavan er jo bygd spesielt, men det er derfor å ikke miste.
Kogu meie töökas politsei protesteerib selle vastu, et filmitakse saladest NATO sõjatehnikat.
Igaüks otsustab ka. Company, attention! Sir, B company is well in. There are 125 ranks present. Company commander, Captain Asu.
Good morning, UN soldiers.
Good morning! Not all. At about 60%. Yeah.
Staff Group, Valgal, Third General Staff Group, Staff Group Leader, Second Lieutenant Magadik. Administration Group, Staff Group, Vaval. First Lieutenant, Administration Group Leader. Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
What you speak English? Very bad. That's the same with me, so then we are two.
He speaks has been also before in your mission.
Oh yeah, you speak English? A little bit, yeah. Have you been on US mission before?
Olette ennen käinud?
Yeah. Where was that?
Kus
In Croatia. In Croatia? How long time? 8 months. 8 months?
Yeah, 2
Very
months.
good.
Very good job during your training period here in Norway. We are very happy, delighted to have you here. It's a good experience for us. I'm confident that you will do an excellent service in Lebanon, and we are looking forward to cooperate with you there.
Kaugel mägedes on tõsine palve, ärge riputage endale nugasid, kirveid, labidaid, granaate ja ei tea mis asju, atribuutikat siia, mis tekitaks kahepidist arusaamist. On kategooriliselt keelatud igasuguse rampumentaliteediga välja saata teenistuskohtadesse, kus võivad kohalikud elanikud seda valesti tõlgendada. Ka Norra üksustel on aeg-ajalt see probleem olnud, et mõnel mehel on noad, granaadid ja kompanii rühmaülemate käsutuses.